Yes. Let me just do something very quick with you. What I want you to do is to just listen to my voice and using the powers of your intelligence and
Yes.
imagination.
Okay.
I want you to just take a deep breath in through your nose. And I didn't tell you to close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Sorry.
Okay, so just follow instructions. Just take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale. That's right. And just relax and feel what you feel and know what you know. And keep your eyes open. And just knowing what you know and feeling what you feel, and you feel that chair there pressing up into your bottom. Now I want you to turn your eyes up and look up through the top of your head. That's right. And imagine that there's a window in the top of your head. And just imagine looking through a window in the top of your head. Now, keeping your eyes turned up like that, looking through the top of your head, through that imaginary window. And as you look up through that window in the top of your head, I want you to just close your eyelids now and keep your eyes turned up, looking through that imaginary window in the top of your head. That's right, you're doing great. And as you keep looking up through that imaginary window in the top of your head, you can imagine seeing through the roof, seeing through the ceiling, seeing through the roof, looking up at the clear blue sky above you. And you might imagine a few puffy white clouds passing by. And keep your eyes turned up like that. And I want you to notice now that as you imagine looking up through the top of your head, I want you to notice now that if you try to open your eyes, you'll find they're completely locked shut. That's great. Now stop trying. And now you can completely relax your eyes. You can relax your eyeballs and let them go to wherever they want to. And just allow those eyelids to relax down now. Just relax completely. Relax all the muscles around your eyes. Relax your jaw. And just imagine that relaxation in your eyes just becoming more profound. And noticing that your eyelids are even more tightly locked now. And imagine what it would be like if your eyelids really were locked. And you know in your mind that if you really wanted to open them, you could. But imagine what it would be like if they really are locked now. And imagine that you're turning a key and locking your eyes closed. And I want you to imagine that I'm reaching through the screen and touching your eyes on the bridge of your nose between the eyes, and I'm locking it from the outside. And you can just try to open them again. That's it. Now close them again. Close them again. That's good. Now just imagine all the muscles in the eyes are locking closed, just releasing, relaxing. Really, really relax those muscles around the eyes now. And then use your powers of imagination, concentration, visualization. Just relax all those muscles now. And this time, listen to me and listen fully to what I say. And when you're absolutely certain that those muscles are completely relaxed, fully relaxed, so that they're so relaxed that you couldn't possibly open your eyes because those muscles are relaxed, and you know that if they really are relaxed, they just won't work. And if they won't work, logically, you know that you can't open them. And when they are fully relaxed and when they are so relaxed that you know you only when you know they won't open, when you know that they won't open, try to open them. And only when you know they won't open. And give it a try when you're sure that they won't open. No, you're not listening to me, are you?
Yeah, I'm listening to you, but they.
No, I said only try to open them when you're sure they won't open.
Oh,
You see, you have to listen carefully. Now leave them closed, relax all the muscles, relax them completely, completely, completely. And this time, listen to what I've said. And when you're sure that they won't open because they're completely relaxed, completely dead, completely anesthetized, when they're completely relaxed, completely dead, completely anesthetized, and only when you know that they won't open, only then try to open them. That's good. Now you can stop trying. Well done. Now I want you to let that relaxation flow through your face, down through your neck, across your shoulders, and down through your body, right down your thighs and flood through your knees down to your ankles. So your whole body is completely relaxed, completely calm. Now I want you to allow your right hand to become completely anesthetized, as if it's been in a bucket of ice water for a whole day. So it's completely numb. And you can imagine what that would be like if your hand had been in a bucket of iced water all day, really, really cold. But it's a comfortable feeling. Although it's completely numb, completely iced, it's completely comfortable, and you can feel that there's no sensation in that right hand. It's completely numb, and it might feel strange, but it's completely numb. And you know that if you were to pinch the back of that right hand, you would feel nothing at all. Keep eyes closed. And you feel nothing at all in that right hand. And I want you to lift that right hand now up to your cheek and place it on your cheek. That's right. I want you to allow that numb feeling to spread in through your cheek, through your gums and into your jaw and into your teeth, like you've had a really strong shot of Novocaine, like you do in the dentist. And notice that feeling of numbness flowing through your cheek and into your tongue, into your lips, and so powerful, it's spreading right across to the other side of the jaw, through your tongue, into all your teeth, and into the joint of the jaw, or the TMJ as dentists call it. And your whole mouth is completely anesthetized, completely numb. Your tongue's gone completely numb. Your lips are completely numb and rubbery. And just confirm to me when you know that that's happened, and only when you know it's happened. And you might find it so profound that you can't speak because your tongue's gone completely numb. Keep your eyes closed. And try to say your name.
It's not that easy right now.
Okay.
That's a weird feeling.
Yes. And what's the first letter of your name?
P.
And the second letter?
A.
And now say the full name.
Pavel.
Well done. But you're finding it difficult.
Yeah, it was before I started saying the letters, the words I was trying to say before that was a lot harder than this.
Mm-hmm. But I bet now, because your face is completely numb and anesthetized, I know that the word that I'm going to give you now has gone completely from your mind, because your mouth is so numb that it's gone from your mind through the back of your head to the wall behind you, completely gone. You can't say sausages.
Okay, should I try it?
You can't say it. You
So-
can try.
No, I can't.
Isn't that strange?
Yeah, that's really strange. First time
Try,
I'm
try,
experiencing something like that. I'm all sweaty from that.
and sausage. You probably can't even say sausage.
Hey, no, it kind of doesn't work.
Isn't that strange?
Yes.
All right, now I'm going to count. In fact, what I want you to do, I want you to imagine that I'm reaching through the screen and touching you on the forehead with my finger, and everything is back to normal. Now,
Feels like it.
now say sausages. You can do it now.
Sausages.
Well done.
Yes. Oh, that was
Wasn't
really
that
interesting.
wasn't that strange?
Yes, it was. It was. It was. Oh my God! It's I'm sorry. I'm a little bit speechless right now because I'm trying to process it.
Well done. You're a very good subject.
Oh, thank you very much.
And 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 does your mouth still feel numb?
No, it feels a little bit weird. Feels a little bit weird. It kind of all around way here. Not numb, but just a little bit different. But my tongue, uh, right here
Mhm.
and on the sides,
Mhm.
feels pretty strange.
Uh-huh.
How should I? It's kind of like a numb muscle that
Mhm.
doesn't hurt. Only had
Now,
that
now,
weird
well,
pressure in
while
the muscle.
while you have that weird feeling, Pavel, I want you to remember that weird feeling, and I want you to make Are you right-handed?
Yes, I'm right-handed.
I want you to make a fist with your right hand, and I want you to now remember how it felt when you first had that numb feeling in your mouth, when it was at its strongest. Remember that strong anesthetized feeling that you had, and link it into that fist, so that when you go to the dentist next time, all you'll have to do is to make that fist and then touch it on your jaw, and your mouth will immediately become anesthetized really, really strongly, so that the dentist will be able to work in your mouth, do anything he wants to without you having any discomfort whatsoever, and you won't need a shot of Novocaine.
Wow. It's,
So remember that.
yeah.
And I want you to
Uh-huh.
practice. I want you to practice when we get off this call, practice doing it. And tonight, practice doing it. And tomorrow, practice doing it. The
Uh-huh.
more times you practice it, the more effective it will become, the more powerful it will become, because you're giving yourself credits in advance.
Oh,
That
okay.
makes sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, this was
It's like
amazing.
meditation. The more times you practice, the
Yes.
better you get at it.
Yes, yes.
And when you're with the dentist, I want you to say to him that you're using um, you're using hypnotic anesthesia,
Mm-hmm.
and he can help you. You can say to him, if he feels that you need more help, or if he feels that you're getting uncomfortable, he just needs to press you on lightly on the shoulder and say, go deeper, and
Yes.
you'll get more anesthesia.
Oh, that's interesting. Oh my God, it's kind of, I cannot even describe that feeling that I have, but our mind is so powerful when you think about it. It's a really good, it almost I don't know, it's a great computer that we have, great biocomputer that we are allowed
Yes.
to work with.
Mhm.
Okay, Keith Anthony, this was a really, really amazing experience for me. I hope this was a good experience for listeners too. And the final question I would like to ask you: what is your life recommendation for our listeners? What is some kind of the best idea that you came across, or something that really worked for you in times when everything was really hard and you didn't see the light at the end of the tunnel?
Always keep your focus. Always have a life goal. Always know where you're going, and never take your eyes off your goals. Know where you're going. Because I've had my eyes on my life goal for 43 years, and I've fallen down a lot during those 43 years, but I've always picked myself up because I've never taken my eyes off my destiny and my goal and where I'm going. That's always kept me going. So never, never, never give up. When you're
Oh,
down, get up. If you can look up, get up.
yes. That's powerful.
And
That's
I
powerful.
remember I remember I think was it Jim Rohn? He was asked, "What do you do when you're down?" He said, "Get up."
Get up. Yeah, just get up. Yeah, that's really powerful. Okay, Keith Anthony, thank you very much for accepting invitation on my podcast. I really enjoyed that. Thank you for some little basics from hypnosis and basic hypnosis therapies practices. Thank you very much for that, and hope next time I will see you in person.
Me too. That would be great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Keith Anthony.